Welcome, everyone. If you've ever wondered who ensures employees don't break into a sweat when using SAP, that's the SAP Training Manager. They make SAP training smooth, efficient, and business-friendly, with companies relying heavily on SAP. These professionals are in high demand. Think of them as the tech whisperers, guiding teams through the maze of enterprise software. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. All right, let's dive into the role. Picture yourself as the architect of SAP knowledge in an organization. SAP Training Managers not only design training programs, but tweak them to match business goals. They are the bridge between complex SAP modules and confused employees, kind of like tech translators. Plus, staying updated on the latest SAP trends keeps their training fresh and relevant. Imagine running a marathon. Without proper training, it's chaos. SAP Training Managers ensure employees don't run blind when using SAP. They build training programs, craft easy-to-follow guides, and assess progress to fine-tune learning. Working closely with IT and HR, they make sure SAP is not just a fancy tool, but an integral part of the workplace. Now, what makes a great SAP training manager? First, SAP expertise, no surprise there. Second, communication skills. A training session full of jargon is like a puzzle with missing pieces. They must also be problem solvers because, trust me, employees will have unique ways of struggling. Lastly, adaptability is key. SAP updates like fashion trends, always something new. Delivering SAP training effectively isn't just about dumping information. It's about making it stick. First, set clear objectives so learners know what's in it for them. Then, ditch the old-school lecture style. Interactive learning keeps minds engaged. Hands-on experience, absolutely crucial. No one learns SAP by reading a manual. Finally, continuous assessment isn't about catching mistakes. It's about keeping everyone on track and improving constantly. Being an SAP training manager is like being a tour guide in the world of enterprise software. You need the right tools to navigate. The SAP Learning Hub is your best friend. E-learning platforms make training flexible and scalable. Simulation tools, a game changer. They let learners make mistakes without real-world consequences. And don't forget industry-specific materials. They turn generic lessons into gold. Let's talk success stories. Real-world training examples show what works. Challenges, always present, but solutions are what make SAP training shine. The ultimate goal, business efficiency, because training is an investment, not an expense. And every success story comes with lessons learned. So let's take those best practices and run with them. The future of SAP training. It's exciting. AI-driven training makes learning smart and adaptable. Gamification turns boring sessions into interactive experiences. Mobile-first learning, because who isn't glued to their phone? And personalized learning paths ensure that no two learners take the same journey, because one-size-fits-all is officially outdated. Good news. SAP trainers are in high demand. Qualifications matter, so certifications can make a difference. Salary trends are promising, but career growth depends on staying updated. And industries, hiring SAP professionals, virtually all of them. So whether it's finance, manufacturing, or healthcare, there's a seat at the table for SAP experts. Aspiring SAP trainers, listen up. First, mastering SAP functionalities is non-negotiable. Strong communication skills, your ability to break down complex concepts, will set you apart. Staying updated isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And networking, huge. SAP is a global community, and your connections can open career doors. That's a wrap. We've covered best practices, tools, case studies, future trends, job insights, and career tips. What's next? Keep learning. SAP evolves. And staying ahead means staying informed. Networking and collaboration will accelerate your growth and the future. It's full of opportunities. You just have to grab them. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.